idea of the project was created. Then I started the research and discovered that in Ukraine, more than 90% of all schools don't have the normal fire alarm system. And unfortunately, fires happen quite frequently in establishments like this, and people die due to the untimely notification. The Odessa strategy demonstrates that the fire safety is a very high priority for our country and all the countries at all because human lives are the most valuable thing. I decided to work on this problem, and the result of my work is an alternative fire alarm system for organizations of mass stay of people where there are no standardized fire alarm systems. Now you can see how this system looks.
So, how the system works? Mobile phones via the mobile application Fire Safety, sirens and sensors via GSM or Wi-Fi are connected to the cloud database Firebase, which stores all user data and receives a signal of fire from the phone or a sensor and transmits it to other users of the same organization, to smart sirens and to the fire department. The database Firebase is used to store data about users who were registered in the organization using the application Fire Safety, which we will discuss later. The cloud base connects the entire system and allows you to receive and distribute the alarm signal quickly to all the necessary components of the system. So it is essential to make the system work and simultaneously and correctly. Mobile application Fire Safety is designed to send and receive an alarm in case of a fire. The application consists of two parts. The first is administrative. The person in charge of the fire alarm in the particular organization registers all other users, only they has access to this feature, so unwanted registrations are limited. For example, children who turn on the alarm for fun can't register there. Users can use the app only after logging in with their own logins and passwords. After logging in, the application remains running in the background, waiting for the alarm. In the center of the screen there is a red alarm button. If the user notices a fire, it is enough for him to press the button for a few seconds to quickly notify all other users and visitors of the institution. Data will be synchronized with the cloud database within 1 second. An alarm will sound and a push message will be sent to all phones with the applications, which will notify the start of the fire, the person who pressed the red button, and the organization in which the fire started. Sirens installed in the facility will also work simultaneously, and the message will be sent to the fire department of the city. This application is designed by myself using the Android Studio. The smart siren is designed by myself and it uses a STM32 microcontroller, battery or any power component, GSM module, DF player and a speaker. Smart sensors can perform the same function as the alarm button in the application. It is recommended to install them in places of increased fire danger. Let's see how the system works in real life.
The system already operates on the basis of the Cherkasy Central Room School of the Cherkasy Regional Council and performs the fire protection function. In the presence of representatives of the CECs of the Ukrainian Cherkasy region, training on fire safety and evacuation of school was performed, and using this alternative fire alarm system. It was effective and successful. This solution can also be used not only in schools but also in other places of mass stay of people like educational institutions, shopping malls, apartment buildings, and so on. Therefore, the solution can be used as a full-fledged fire alarm system. It can also be used to protect from other man-made emergencies such as mines. The result, we have a ready-made and tested solution which has a wide range of possibilities. It can be used in shopping malls, in schools, in living apartments, educational institutions, and other establishments to protect them from fires and other dangers like mines, for example.
This project also was highly praised by Ukrainian and international experts. They confirmed that it is very useful and will help to save human lives.
I am happy that I created a project that can help saving human life, and I believe that it has a great potential and it will help even more people in the future. Thank you for your attention.